What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chubi. Okay, this morning we'll be trying something I consider amazing. Yesterday I stumbled across this video by Abby's Choice where she tried to whiten her teeth in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. So I think that was amazing. The results were amazing. So this morning I will be trying it because for some time now I have been very unhappy with the color of my teeth. See, yes, I have been very unhappy, and that is because of a bad toothpaste I bought. This toothpaste, yes, this toothpaste is the worst 1,002 I have ever spent on anything. You know, looking at the charcoal inscription on this thing here, you'll be thinking it would do an amazing job. That was what I thought when I bought it, but it ended up disappointing me, taking my sparkling white teeth to a color up till now I still don't understand it. Yes, so I don't understand. Look, just imagine. So today we'll be trying something different. It was inspired by Abby's Choice, so I'll be giving this mixture, this recipe, this whitening magical recipe, I'll be giving it a try to see if it works. I pray it works. I saw it work on her and I hope it will work on my own teeth. So this mixture involves little things you can easily get from your kitchen, little things you can easily, snack from your kitchen. It has ginger in it, it has lemon juice. I have my lemon juice here, and then baking soda. Yes, these are the little ingredients you will need for this mixture, for this recipe, unless you don't have a brand new toothbrush, because this recipe involves you using it with a brand new toothbrush, not your old toothbrush. You need a brand new toothbrush, and so because of that, if you don't have it at home, you can easily go buy a brand new toothbrush. And then a whitening toothpaste. I'll be using the Sensodyne extra whitening toothpaste for this recipe. So let's just stop talking too much and get to our workstation where we'll be doing all the mixing and preparation so that we can go ahead and start brushing. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, here we are. I've gone ahead to grate some ginger. I didn't have the time to start peeling off the back. I don't know if it will affect this mixture, but we've grated our ginger here. So grated, so we'll have to add the baking soda, teaspoon. I'll be adding just one teaspoon of the baking soda. I hope you guys can see the measurement. 2 teaspoons of the baking soda, and then we'll add our lemon juice. If you don't have if you don't have the natural lemon, you can go ahead purchase this. It's also freshly squeezed lemon and it's amazing, so you can use this for the recipe. So we're also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of our lemon juice to this mixture, and then we'll add the toothpaste. Just add, yes, this amount of toothpaste is right. It should be right. This amount is okay. So let's go ahead, give this a thorough mixing. Okay, so here now, this is what it looks like after mixing. So we'll go ahead now, bring our toothbrush and start brushing. Okay guys, we have our mixture here, so you can see the color after mixing it. So go ahead and start scrubbing. I'm dipping my toothbrush into the mixture. Okay, here is my teeth, the color I had teeth before. This is salty. It's very salty and peppery.
I don't think it's funny.
Okay guys, we are here. I love the result of this magical solution, of this mixture. I can't stop smiling, and I think I'll be smiling like this throughout today. Whether you want me to smile or you don't want me to smile, I'll be shining my teeth. Okay guys, the few things I noticed with this recipe is the tingling sensation, the pepperish and the tingling sensation, and I think it comes with the ginger and the baking soda. Although it doesn't stay long, it disappears almost immediately when you rinse off the mixture from your mouth. It goes away. But for those that have really sensitive gums, please buy a soft toothbrush. Yes, don't go and buy the iron sponge type. Buy a really soft toothbrush for this recipe. It will help. That's just it. I love the results of this thing. Abby, you did well. Okay guys, that will be it for today. I hope you didn't just watch me and not subscribe. Please hit the subscription button down below, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I publish a new video. And also I would like to see and know your results if you will be trying this. So please put down your comment in the comment section so that I'll know you tried it and also know your results. Okay, so see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.